1, 2, 3, 4. This ain't a song for the broken hearted.
Hi Galilo, lagi lang si Jolly Junior Costi.
Today my job is to lay pipe down and measure it and see how much it costs.
It's an exciting environment where they get to apply everything that they've learned in the classroom. So they can come here, they can work in an environment where they're buying things, where they're making things, where they're having to understand how to operate a checkbook.
It's my life, it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever.
Hopefully we get the opportunity to sell them on taking those harder classes so that they can go to college and earn the incomes to be able to do all of those things. Who wants to go to OU? Who wants to go to OSU?
I did it my way. I just wanna live where I'm alive. It's my life.
All Star 你这等儿讲。